Welcome to PuntaCanaVilla.com. Explore our exquisite 3-bedroom penthouse for sale in Bavaro, starting at just $128,000. With an area of 1,110.94 square feet and a captivating terrace of 785 square feet available for an additional $149,500. Indulge in beachside bliss with a 10-minute drive to one of the best beaches in Punta Cana. Enjoy seamless travel with Punta Cana International Airport just a short drive away. Feel secure with controlled access. Elevators in each building provide vertical convenience, and a dedicated outdoor gym offers fitness in nature. Create joyful memories in the community's playing area for the little ones. Dive into relaxation with both adults and children's swimming pools and participate in community events with multi-purpose rooms. Step into luxury of this penthouse for sale in Bavaro with 3 modern bedrooms, each featuring its attached bathroom. Experience culinary joys in the modern kitchen and relax in the cozy living room with ample space for gatherings and entertainment. Elevate your living experience with a private terrace of about 73.02 square meters, available at an additional cost. Indulge in luxury with an optional jacuzzi on the terrace, available at an additional cost of $11,000. Our convenient payment plan reserve with $1,000, 10% after signing the contract, 28% during construction and remaining 62% upon delivery. Make this penthouse for sale in Punta Cana yours. Contact us today at PuntaCanaVilla.com and step into a world of unparalleled luxury and comfort. Your paradise awaits.